to make a video of it.
I am.
Are you? Are you? Kitty kitty.
Alright, I'll just box now. Or you can help me get the house ready for our dinner now. Our time for dinner is like 4 hours from now.
You're up close.
On your back. So all you have to do is come out and lay on your back behind the dolphin. Please take the fins off, they only push feet. Any questions?